Hello, just wanted to give you your Neovim tip of the day. Just kidding. Uh, I need to create a folder structure. I need a folder for each month of the year. So I'm going to use oil to do it. Let's open oil. Uh, then I'm going to use a command to create an enumeration. I need this for 3 years, so I'm going to repeat this 3 times. Okay. Then I'm going to put the year to the left of the enumeration. So let's start a recording. Okay. And I'm going to repeat this 11 times. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the other years. Okay, and I'm going to save the buffer. And here they are. Let's see the folders in Yassi. Here they are. This is very easy to do with oil. So that's it. If you want to see more about these things, I have a video about all these kind of things, so you can check it. I'm gonna leave a mark there to and a link. Okay, so that's all. Hope you like it.